So standard 11, welcome back. We were in lesson 3, Math 2. This is lecture number 11. So what we have to do in this, the first we are going to see the solve sums, because solve sums are also very important. That's why we are giving the importance to the solve sums. And if you try to understand those solve sums without explanation, it is difficult to understand also. That's why I am just explaining them. And then we will go for the exercise as usual. Prove that 1 plus tan theta into tan theta by 2 is equal to sec theta. So as usual, I will take LHS equal to 1 plus tan theta into tan of theta by 2. That is equal to 1 plus tan theta means they want sec theta. Sec means 1 upon cos theta they want. So I will also write tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. This tan theta means sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. That is equal to, this is sin theta, this is sin theta by 2. What I want is, I want sec theta. Sec theta means 1 upon cos theta. This much part I don't want. This part I want. 1 upon cos theta I want. This I don't want. So for this I will use the formula 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. In the earlier videos I have explained this in detail, so go through that, upon cos theta into, this is sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. Now this and this will get cancelled. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta by 2 into sin theta by 2 upon cos theta. So this cos theta I will multiply over here. So that is equal to cos theta plus 2 sin theta by 2, 2 sin square theta by 2 upon cos theta. So hope that you have understood this. Just write it down. Hope that you have understood this. So that is equal to cos theta plus, for this I will go in the cos formula. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. That also you know. And 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. These two formula I have given you and proved also. So these 2 sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos theta upon cos theta. This cos theta will get cancelled, and that is equal to 1 upon cos theta. That is nothing but sec theta. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hope that you have understood this. Now the next question we will take. I am going to rub it I'm going to rub it because the place will be less. Now in this video the camera is very close to the whiteboard. Tell me whether this video is clear or not. In your comment section definitely tell me, or you can call me. Prove that. Second example. PT tan 20 into tan 40 into tan 60 into tan 80 is equal to 3. That we have to prove. So as usual we will take LHS equal to tan 20 into tan 40 into tan 60 into tan 80. That is equal to, we want 3. That means all these angles should get vanished. So I will see how I can do. Tan of 20 into tan of 40 into tan 60 means root 3 into tan of 80. That is equal to. Now tan 40 and tan 80, these angles can be converted to tan 60. How? Tan 20, this root 3 I will take first. Root 3 into tan 20 into tan of this we will write 60 minus 20, and this we will write as tan of 60 plus 20. Why 60? Because tan of 60 is root 3. With this root 3 it will get 3. That is the basic idea. So root 3 into tan 20 into tan of A minus B. Tan of A minus B. The formula is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Don't forget the formula, because on the formula everything is dependent. That's why I am writing again and again. So tan 60, that is nothing but tan of 60 minus tan of 20 upon 1 plus tan 60 into tan 20 into. Now this also into tan of 60 plus tan of 20 upon 1 minus. If it is plus here, it will become minus. So tan A means tan 60 into tan B means tan 20. So that is equal to root 3 tan 20 into this tan 60, the value is root 3 minus tan 20 upon 1 plus, this is tan 60 means root 3 into tan of 20 into. Purposely I am putting this sign. It is not that you can put dot also. This is root 3 plus tan 20 upon 1 minus root 3 into tan 20. That is equal to root 3 tan 20 into this. Put the bracket and see what it is. If you put the bracket, you can observe this. This is root 3 minus tan 20. This is root 3 plus tan 20. This is 1 plus root 3 tan 20. This is 1 minus root 3 tan 20. So, this a minus b, a plus b means a square minus b square. So, this is root 3 square is 3 minus tan square 20 upon. This will be what? A plus b, a minus b, a square means 1 square is 1 minus b square means 3 tan square 20. Hope that you have understood this. Now this is multiplying to this and this. So that is equal to root 3 into tan 20 is 3 root 3 tan 20. This will be this if you can see, I don't know whether you can see, I will check it whether you can see it. Okay, you can write it. Okay. Yes, you can see one step. So, I will keep this root 3 aside and by this tan 20 I will multiply. Check it. Root 3 I will keep aside and I will multiply by this tan 20. So, what it will be? It will be 3 tan 20 minus tan cube 20 upon 1 minus 3 tan square 20. Hope that you have understood. I will see whether you can see it or not. Otherwise the video will, yes, you can see it now clearly. I am using the back camera so I can't see. Okay, up to this you have understood. Now, this much part I want to analyze. This much part. Tan 3 theta is equal to what? That formula we have proved once in the last video itself, I think, is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is that formula. Note this. So this is equal to root 3 into, this is the expansion of tan 3 theta, means tan of 3 into 20. This is 3 tan 3 theta. So that is equal to root 3 into tan of 23 the 60. And the value of tan 60 is 3, root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. So, note it down. I will give you some time for noting it down. Hope that you have noted it. So, we'll go for the third example. Once again, prove that third example now. Prove that 2 cosec 2x 2 cosec 2x plus cosec x is equal to sec x into cot of x by 2. Okay, LHS equal to 2 cosec 2x, whether it is 2 or not, let me see it. Yes, 2 cosec 2x plus cosec of x, that is equal to 2 cosec 2x. Whether I have written it right or wrong? Yes, correct it is. So, what is meant by cosec? 1 upon sine. So 2 upon sine of 2x plus cosec means this is 1 upon sine x. That is equal to sine to theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta. So 2 upon 2 sine theta into cos theta plus 1 upon sine theta. So that is equal to these two cut, so it remains 1 upon sine theta into cos theta plus 1 upon sine theta. Now how to solve this? Take the LCM of this, and LCM of this will be sine theta into cos theta. By what I have to multiply? Everything is there? No, I don't want to multiply. 1 plus. Now out of this, what is not? Cos is not. So I will multiply the numerator by cos, so 1 plus cos theta. So that is equal to 1 plus cos theta. In the last question, I have given you 1 minus cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. This is the formula. So this is cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, that's all. Now look at the proof. In the proof, I want sec. Sec means 1 upon cos I want. Means this cos I want. So I will not touch it. I will keep as it is cos theta. Why? Because I want that. But this sine I don't want. This is sine of 2 theta by 2. So it will be 2 sine theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. So these two cut, these two cut. One cos will get cancelled. I will write here. I am doubtful whether you can see this or not. Yes, you can see it. So this is cos into cos, and here it is cos. One cos will get cancelled. So cos of theta by 2, this one will remain upon sine theta by 2 into this cos theta. So that is nothing but this is cos upon sine means cot of theta by 2 into 1 upon cos means sec theta. I have done a big mistake. It is not theta, it is x. So everywhere I will write x. This is x. This is x. This is x. This is also x by 2. X by 2. X by 2. And this is x. Here also x by 2. X by 2. This is x. Now this is cos upon sine is cot of x by 2 into sec 1 upon cos means sec sec x. So, but in the proof it is not in this sequence. So that is equal to sec x into cot of x by 2. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. This way it is proved. Take it down. So there are still some questions remaining. We'll go for those sums afterwards. In this video, this will be very lengthy video. So bye till then. We will soon see in the next lecture. And your speed is very slow. Catch up with my speed, please.